Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
True about preauricular sinus is because of improper fusion of auricular tubercles.
preauricular sinus develops because of improper fusion of auricular tubercles. So it develops between the first and second bronchial arch.
Tubercles. Stapes develops from second arch.
Whereas the foot plate of stapes develops from the aortic capsule. Malleus and incus develops from the first arch.
Development of the ear is eustachian tube opens behind the level of the inferior turbinate, and then growth of organ of Corti is completed by 5th month, and ossicles are adult size at birth.
Whereas eustachian tube develops from not cleft, it is first pouch. Whereas pinna develops from first and second bronchial clefts. Thank you and thank you for watching.